You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, or these names I should say, the name of this famous score, which is used in medicine. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned, and more scientist names as well. So, how do you say it? Child, that was easy. Pugh, alright, it's not pug. Simply, the U is pronounced U. P-U, Pugh. Basically, easy pronunciation once you know. Child-Pugh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.